Joint mobility, side lunges. Take approximately double shoulder width foot spacing apart. You're going to want to externally rotate your feet 10 to 15 degrees. The knees, when lunging to the side, will always track over the second and third toe, and the foot that you're lunging into will always be able to make complete contact with the ground. We don't want to roll onto the outside of the foot. We also don't want to be so wide that we can't get the knee over the foot either. So in order to maximize range of motion, you got to find that sweet spot. From there, drop your hips straight down, keeping both feet flat on the ground. You can reach your hands out in front to help maintain posture. Come back up and switch sides. The trail leg at all times will stay straight. Things to avoid here are leaning forward and letting your posture collapse. We're targeting the inner thighs or the adductors here on this mobility drill.